The Nuance PowerShare network is the largest cloud-enabled imaging exchange network in the country. It connects a huge number of provider sites today, and it's growing day by day, and allows anyone, providers, patients, government entities, payers, accreditation bodies, to easily share diagnostic imaging reports and their associated key images to improve better patient care and drive better financial performance. And why this is important is healthcare today is still very siloed. You have institutions that don't talk to each other and don't share information, and that results in suboptimal care and unnecessary medical expense. And with PowerShare, you can really break down these barriers and connect people through the cloud to share critical and relevant information to drive better patient outcomes in an improved cost model.
My experience with Nuance as a partner personally has primarily been through the PowerShare network and the PowerShare products. It's been outstanding. They've been a highly collaborative partner. They've met our needs. They've had high reliability and have stayed ahead of the trends and demands and the needs of a changing industry, and have really adapted well and been a really great partner.
Since we've been using Nuance PowerShare, we haven't had to repeat any films. We are able to, every single time, have the films available, and almost in every single instance, the films are available before we even accept the patient. We are looking at them in real time, and it even allows us to start the treatment before the children arrive. The ability to get images through PowerShare for us has become, it's part of doing business for us. I'm the Chief Quality Officer at the Children's Hospital, and if someone doesn't get the images the night before, I get a huge email the next morning. Dr. Plumley, this is a quality issue. I accepted a neurosurgical patient last night and I could not see the images. This is not safe for patient care. That's interesting because 3 years ago, we couldn't get any images. But the ability to get those images in real time has become part of doing business. There's no looking back. You're not going to take it away. It's become ingrained in the way we practice medicine here.
It's really good for the physicians to be able to take good care of their patients and know that they can be reached and they can have images at any time. It was not a burden for me to get it going. It's something that's like, wow, I can't believe it's going to be working tomorrow and there's nothing else that you need to do. We're up and going. There you go.
I had less bruising on my forehead when we started using PowerShare because I was not banging my head against the wall in the middle of the night, not having films that I needed to make medical decisions and to treat my patients. Because there are plenty of solutions that are bandied about. They sound really great on paper, but when it comes to actually implementing them, they take more time than they're worth. And this is not one of those. Literally a request through PowerShare directly to the PACS administrator at the other hospital during the day, or a call to their radiology people at night, and one text to my PACS administrator, and I'm done. That's it. I'm off taking care of my patients. I'm not dealing with the headache of trying to get the films anymore.
The first time we used PowerShare, I will say I was shocked at how easy it was and how well it worked. I was a little skeptical at first, thinking there's no way this is going to be this simple. Our experience here at Children's with Nuance has been all positive. The outreach staff there at Nuance that reach out to facilities on our behalf has been as critical in our growth using the technology as anything. They've done a great job kind of playing the liaison role between Children's and the partnering facility to make sure that any needs technologically wise are filled, any questions or end-user training has been provided so that the transition of images from one facility to another is streamlined and very efficient. I can't say anything but great things about Nuance as far as our partnership with them, and it's been a pleasant experience.